Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. It is quite some time since you bought anything in this store. I am writing to you myself because I should be sorry to lose your custom. It may be that we have offended you in some way. If this is the case, I hope you will write to me. Our service and our way of doing business are things which we boast about. It would be a pity to stay away because of something which could be easily remedied, and you should not hesitate to write to me and let me know the cause.